Most new growers assume they're killing plants by underwatering. The mistake that actually wipes out more first season crops is the opposite, overwatering. And what makes it dangerous is that it looks exactly like drought stress until it's too late. By the end of this video, you'll know how to water your allotment beds correctly, spot the signs before damage sets in, and build a simple habit that keeps your soil in the right condition all season. New growers water on a schedule, same time, same amount, every day. It feels like care. But your soil doesn't run on a calendar. It runs on weather, temperature, and what's actually happening underground. When you overwater, the soil stays saturated. Air pockets collapse, roots can't breathe. They sit in oxygen-poor ground and start to rot. The plant above looks limp, pale, drooping. It looks thirsty. So the new grower waters again. That's the trap. Drowning roots and thirsty roots look almost identical from above. Before you reach for the watering can, check the soil. This takes 10 seconds. Push your finger into the second knuckle, roughly 5 centimeters down. Damp at that depth? Don't water. Dry. Water. That's the whole test. Surface soil dries fast. You can't judge moisture by the top centimeter. Roots aren't at the surface. That's where moisture actually matters. Do this check every morning before you water anything. It's the single most useful habit you can build in your first season. Water in the morning. The plant has moisture through the hottest part of the day when it needs it most. Evening watering leaves the surface damp overnight, ideal conditions for slugs and fungal disease. Water at the base of the plant. Aim for the soil, not the leaves. Water slowly and deeply, not quickly and lightly. A quick splash wets the top layer and stops there. Roots follow moisture downward. Shallow watering keeps roots near the surface where they're vulnerable. A slow, heavy soak pushes moisture deeper and builds drought-resilient plants. For most allotment crops, a thorough soak 2 or 3 times a week in dry weather beats a brief daily sprinkle every time. A layer of compost mulch, 3 to 5 centimeters across the bed surface, slows evaporation and makes each watering last longer. Cucumbers and celery are sensitive to inconsistent moisture. Too wet and roots struggle. Too dry and cucumbers turn bitter, celery bolts. Check these daily in warm weather. Tomatoes need consistent moisture when fruit is sizing up. Irregular watering at that stage causes blossom end rot and splitting. Check them every day once fruit starts to form. Potatoes want moisture when bulking up but must not sit in waterlogged ground. Make sure your bed drains well before planting. Check soil moisture at depth before every watering session. Water slowly and deeply at the base of the plant in the morning. A compost mulch helps your soil hold moisture longer and reduces how often you need to water at all. So, over to you. We want to know, what was the first crop you overwatered on your plot, and what did you think was wrong with it before you figured it out? Tell us in the comments below. That is one more method you can actually use. Subscribe to Grow a Lot Studio, and I will keep showing you exactly how it is done.